la vuelta feminina. So we're gonna do a tortilla, Spanish tortilla for the stuff. Let's go. Potatoes.